Sir, am I audible?
Audible then.
Oh, okay, sorry. Hello.
Am I audible? Hello? Can you hear me? Nitish? Arun?
So good evening, sir. Sorry, sir. I couldn't handle.
Good
I
evening,
didn't.
sir.
Good evening, good evening. Where are
I
the
won't.
others?
Sir,
Sir,
also.
they'll join. So I won't talk that much today because I have cold, sir. So
Same,
I'll
sir.
listen, sir.
Take care, take care.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have very bad headache. I was absent to school today.
Alright.
Think I have dengue.
Can we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So do you all practice the questions on heat and energy? Do that? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So your watch break is
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Alright. Tell me if you can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kungwel, please speak more. I won't speak that much today.
Reflection of light. Today we'll be starting with the reflection of light.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
We'll be starting with reflection of light.
Both these incident ray and reflection ray, angle of incidents that.
Yeah.
No, that's the refraction.
What is the reflection of light? The
No, it has.
bouncing.
It's that in both.
Angle
The
of deviation
bouncing
as
back
well as
of light
refraction, right?
rays when touching a smooth and polished surface.
Yeah. polished surface is reflection of light, right? What is reflection? So I'll be taking this. What does this sign means? The sign means this is the rough end, and this one is the smooth end. Okay, smooth end, or it can say the reflecting end. All right. So reflection will occur this side. So I can draw the reflection like this. This is the incoming light. This is called the incident ray that is coming towards the surface, and this is the reflected ray. Reflected ray, and this is drawn perpendicular to the surface at the point of incidence. So this is called the normal, drawn at the point of incidence. Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Write it down.
No, sir. Sir,
Written.
are you writing anything?
That is the board.
Sir, you can see the word. Are you writing anything?
No, not now. Whatever I had written, did you write that?
Sir, yes, sir.
If it is written, then I'll continue.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Audible.
I know.
Yes, Shankar, you audible.
Sir, sorry, sir. I thought today's class was at 5:30. I'm really sorry, sir.
Did you think that? Any specific reason?
Sir, I saw yesterday's WhatsApp thing instead of today's, sir.
Oh my God.
Sorry, sir. I won't do this again.
Written everyone?
Yes, sir.
Shall we continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So there are two kinds of reflection. One is called regular reflection. Another one is irregular reflection. Regular reflection, irregular reflection. So reflection from a smooth surface is called regular reflection. And similarly, reflection from a rough surface is irregular reflection.
Sir. surface.
Yeah, and we have done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's continue to see there. If we have a plane surface, very plane. So if one ray is drawn, it will be passing like this. If another ray is drawn, it will be passing like this. If one more ray is drawn, it will be passing like this. So this is called a regular reflection. This is called a regular reflection. Okay. And if we have like a rough surface, like something like this. So if it is here, so it will be passing like this. If it is here, it will be passing like this. Agree or not?
Yes,
Do you
Sir?
irregular reflection? Yeah.
Sir, can you go to the previous slide once, sir?
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can go to the next one. Yes, sir. You can go to the next one, sir.
Right.
So Kongu will call you for some time.
Guys,
Who will call you for some time?
any doubt?
No, sir.
All right. These are easy things. Now we don't have much technical things in the physics. I think we have done magnetism already. So we just have 3 chapters left now.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
I know actually I am in the hostel and the network here is quite low. I really cannot do anything for it.
Yes, sir.
So we just have 3 chapters left now for completion of the syllabus. I hope you have done magnetism already, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir. We finished it.
Yes, we
Yeah.
did.
If you want, I can teach it again, but I think I have done it.
No,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. No need, sir. We know it, sir. It's an easy chapter.
Yes, I already.
So just 3 of the chapters are left: propagation of sound, reflection, and current, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? I think we'll be completing it by the next month or so. Written everyone till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, then after that, what will we do, sir? We'll have like 6 more months left, right?
I don't know, maybe practice or something like that.
There'll be so many tests.
Okay. So let us get defined some related terms. First one is, what is incident ray?
Uh,
So incident ray is the ray that strikes on
The
the
incident ray
mirror.
is a beam of light that strikes the smooth surface.
yes.
See, there is a difference between beam and ray.
Yeah, ray.
I tell you. The ray striking the reflecting surface. See, if this is this reflecting surface, so if you're just striking one ray, so it is called a ray. But if there is a collection of rays like this, then it is a beam. It's called a beam. Understood? So
Yes,
there's a
sir.
difference.
Yes, sir.
Next is reflected ray.
So the ray of light that is reflected by the smooth.
That is, yes. Sir, the ray of light, which is. So when the incident ray falls on the smooth surface and it gets reflected, that ray is called as reflected ray.
Yeah. The ray obtained after reflection, or it is the ray that is leaving the reflecting surface.
Yes, sir.
obtained after reflection. Next is normal. What is normal? Is a perpendicular line. Is the perpendicular
That
line
separates the incident ray and the reflected ray.
drawn at the point of incidence. Point of incidence. Okay. And next is angle of incidence.
Sir, it is the angle between the
The angle
incident ray
formed
and the
with-
normal.
Yeah. Angle between incident ray, the ray that is
Incident ray
coming,
and normal, sir.
and normal. Good. Write it down, everyone.
Yes, sir.
1 second, sir.
Finished writing.
Almost done, sir.
Sir. You can hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Shall I change the slide?
Sir, I'm in the last 3 words, sir.
Yes, sir, you can.
Okay, let everyone write.
So what's that word after between, sir?
Which
Oh,
one
incidence.
afterward?
Okay. Okay, okay. No.
Yeah,
Done,
the
sir.
same for angle of reflection. The angle formed between the refracted ray and
Reflected.
reflected. Stick with refraction.
Fraction will never come in this chapter, right?
They are no, yeah. No, but
Tarun sounds better than other days, and he says today he's sick.
uh,
That's
Saying that.
dengue. And I
Actually,
feel very bad. Not for him, like
Yeah,
for
actually,
myself. Like I'm
Get
like
her
I'm
some-
sick as hell. I'm so
you
sick.
know, like that's actually really unlucky
Okay,
having
shall we
your
change the
birthday
slide?
tomorrow and have. Yes, sir.
That will be done.
Having-
Right. Now next is angle of refraction.
Angle between refracted ray and normal. Oh my God.
go drink water.
Are you writing something? Because your screen is stuck.
I think it's stopped on purpose.
Ray
Yeah.
Now we entire screen stop.
and normal.
Sir, yes, you stopped your screen share, sir.
At the point of incidence,
Hello, sir.
right? Audible.
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, but
but
your
your
screen
screen
share
is
is
like something.
funny anymore.
Okay.
Is it fine now?
No, sir.
No, sir. One day we can see us the screen sharing stop.
I think it will be
yes,
there.
Now we can see it, sir.
Sir.
Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Is it fine now?
Yes, it's
Yes,
fine
sir.
now, sir.
Okay, so write this. Plane of incidence is what? See there. This is the reflecting surface. This is the incident ray shown by coming angle. This is the reflected ray. So first of all, we don't have to form the reflected ray like this. What we'll do, we will be given with the incident ray. At the point of incidence, we'll be forming the normal. Okay, 90 degree. This is the 90 degree. This is the process of forming the reflected ray.
Yes, sir.
And we'll calculate how
Your voice is very bad.
got it.
No. Your voice in this thing is very bad. Like it's breaking so much.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
First, what we'll do, we'll draw the incident ray, we'll find the normal at that point, we'll take the incident angle, same angle, we'll draw it here, angle of reflection, and then we'll join the angle of reflection with the point. Get it or not?
Yes, sir.
This is how we have to draw it. And these are all the points. Draw the diagram and write the points.
There's still point of reflection, sir. I mean plane of reflection.
All these things happen in a single plane. I can draw it on a plane of paper now. So that plane will be for a plane of reflection. It is not like that we can say it like this. This is coming here and this is going there. Like this does not happen. All happen in a single plane.
So basically the mirror is plane of both the plane of incidence and reflection.
Oh, this is 1 minute. This is plane of reflection.
What? No,
Not
sir, the
reflection.
plane consisting of incident ray, reflected ray, and sir, that's not even a plane. Sir. It's a combination of both incidence and reflection. Sir. Plane of reflection, only the plane
No,
containing.
that's correct only.
What in the book it says plane of reflection is the plane containing the reflected ray and the normal.
Actually, the thing is that now plane of incidence and plane of reflection is same. We cannot define it like that. I am writing for the whole process, the whole process of reflection, not for the reflected ray. The book has written it for the reflected ray. Don't write it. I'll tell you how to do it. What is plane of reflection? See, all this process occurs in a plane of paper. You cannot protrude it. It is not 3D, it is 2D always. Okay, all these things lie in a single plane.
So,
Nothing goes out of the plane. So
Sir.
all these things occur in a particular plane. That is called the plane of reflection. Understood?
screen sharing stop.
I stop your screen share.
Again, it is happening.
I feel terrible.
Just for today, I'll tell you. I'll change the internet connection. I somehow.
Sir, refracted.
Sir, you can use hotspot from your phone, sir. It is
I
better
got
than.
new thought.
Definitely
No,
does not come.
Sir,
That's
Because
what
what?
I'm using right now.
Sir's in his hostel.
Not- a
Hello?
5G phone and still I get network.
So your
Am I
voice is
audible now?
breaking a lot, sir.
Sir, refracted ray is not in this lesson, right?
Reflection, the truth is not there. The chapter name is reflection.
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah, it's light reflection.
The
Lit.
reflection of it. I feel terrible.
Hey, we don't have any maths homework today, right?
No, and I probably won't come to school tomorrow.
Why?
I feel so bad, terrible. Like,
Let's go.
Tomorrow is my birthday.
I don't
Let's
get.
not go. How sad.
Is it called Saturday or Friday now?
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Anyone audible? Okay, I'm
Yes.
audible.
Day, why
Will
do you
you,
keep doing that?
Saru, will
Am
you
I
call
audible
us
now?
on Saturday or Friday?
Yes, sir.
So you're not even there in the meeting, sir. How are you speaking? Sir?
I know,
No.
right?
Wait, actually.
Yes, sir.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Only
Yeah.
visible, sir.
I'm here.
Sir, you spoke first and then you joined the meeting, sir.
Yeah.
Lag of network. I'm not a ghost.
Like,
Blue sky timer.
I start crying even before I come out of the womb.
where did that come from? That something. Why are you
Like,
telling
can
me
you
random?
No, like children cry
Yeah.
after they come out of the womb, right?
Can you see the screen now? Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Write it down everything.
So you erase the plane of reflection.
Sir.
That I've erased because in book that is written differently. But the thing is that we need to write it in a perfect manner. The reflection or reflection plane of reflection means that everything, whatever is happening in the reflection process, occurs in a single plane. That is what
There's
I mean to
nothing
say.
called plane of incidence.
See, they have explained it differently, plane of incidence and plane of reflection. But you know, plane of incidence and plane of reflection both are same. In whatever the plane the incidence is happening, in the same plane the reflection will also be happening.
sir,
It is not like that I can draw the incident ray on the plane of paper and the plane of reflection will come out of the paper. This does not happen. That will happen in the plane of paper itself.
sorry. First of all, like, why do we even need to separate plane of incidence and plane of reflection into two different things when they
Exactly.
both are?
That's what I said.
What
It is
sir
not
was trying to
required.
tell, huh?
It is not
Oh, I was
required.
drawing the picture,
Let's talk.
bruh.
Okay. You were telling this.
Done,
So you
sir.
can continue, sir.
Okay. Next.
Okay, va.
Laws
So your voice breaking a lot.
So why
Your
don't
voice
you
is like my health right now, sir.
just connect your hotspot? Sir.
Your health is breaking, huh?
Okay, I didn't really think about it.
are you able to see the screen?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, even the guest is saying, sir.
Who's the guest? Oh, it's Tarun.
The class. No, it's not Tarun. It's like
Oh,
class.
Hey, it's Congoel because who's the guest?
One. I don't know.
Because
No guess.
no. Like, who typed right now?
Guess.
Me.
That means you're.
No, I have a name. Look at that.
So you're saying guests don't have name?
Chapa.
Can you see
So
the
the-
screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
the first
sir.
law is the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection.
You know this.
The incident
Yes, sir.
ray, the refracted ray, the incident ray, the reflection, the incident ray, the
So the
reflected
incident ray,
the
reflection
normal,
ray, and
all
the
same
normal,
plane,
and
on the same plane.
the point of incidence lie on the same plane.
What is there something seriously wrong with your uncle?
What?
What? We studied it last year.
Yeah.
I know.
The incident ray, the reflected ray.
But there was
normal.
another law, right, sir? Like something new.
There's only two laws.
That is refraction there. I know what you're
Oh.
talking about.
I forgot. If you don't talk, we think we are getting
Write it
punished.
down. Write it down.
Very helpful. So from when will they have offline classes?
Won't,
No.
we won't have offline classes, sir. We signed up for online classes.
Why? When I have a headache, my eyes hurt. Why is the name of the website keep changing? I guess to something.
That's why you
It's
use
like
the app.
guess at something.
So I finished. So
Yes, I'll finish.
Finished.
1 second, sir.
So I don't even like our book, sir. Very bad. Last year book was very nice.
the book was like 76, the same type of book.
Hmm.
Now it's totally different. The front cover is the only good thing about this book.
No,
That
there's like
looks like
there's so much unwanted things.
Information.
So much unwanted weight also.
it's kind of true.
Like they
That's
give
fine.
one like garbage diagram and then some explanation
Okay,
for it,
diagrams
which
are
is
not
not
bad,
even there
but
in the
diagrams are not bad, but last year's explanations were better.
yeah, it was crisp and small.
You're 9th grade, you can expect.
I mean,
Stuff like
they'll expect you to give all details in ninth. Yeah.
I
that.
know, but still half of what's there in the book we don't even study
Written,
because it's not
everyone?
required.
That's
Yes,
the
sir.
teacher's problem. If she
Did
Uh,
you
don't
write
finish the
it?
portions,
This is the slide.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's actually our problem, but it's the people's fault. Uncle, word your sentence before you go.
See here, you have to find the number of images formed when two mirrors are inclined. Okay.
In a slow manner.
For example, you see, if two mirrors are there, let us say at some angle, so can you see two of your images there? One here and one here. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So it's not only two. If your one image is formed here, you are here. Your image will be formed here, your image will be formed here. Won't this mirror see this is also an object there? So this image will also be formed here. Agree?
I don't
won't that happen if when two of the mirrors are placed at 0 degrees, sir? That will
Same thing will
happen.
happen. Now won't this mirror will be there? This will see this as an object and they'll form more such images and this will continue.
Both the mirrors should be in opposite. No.
Have you ever been to that barber shop?
Mirror room.
Saloon?
No, sir, but I
Yes.
see.
And after
I know what you're talking because
cutting,
I saw it in Queensland.
Mirror room. There's stuff like that in college. Yes, in my like in my terrace also there's a room where there's a mirror on opposite sides, so there's like infinite images of me.
Every
But that,
hey,
but
in
that
in
really scares
every
me. What?
hey, in every what is this?
In
Trial room
amusement
in
parks.
no in every
Amusement.
trial room it's like that only.
Every time I have been to, there's like only 1 minute.
Sir, in those
Don't trust those mirrors. Though.
those
Say
things
a
in
screenshot.
amusement park.
It
That
vanished.
Not even there in the meeting. I
No,
don't
sir's
trust
there.
those mirrors, though, that uncle.
You guys don't have the vision.
wait, sir,
He's there
there,
in the
but
participants list, but he's not there.
I don't really trust
Am I audible
those
now?
mirrors. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Not,
sir,
why are you, sir?
Up here.
inside here.
What? It was funny when I did it. It wasn't funny when
so
you.
the condition is see if n is equals to 360 by theta. Theta is the angle with which both the mirrors are inclined. Okay. So 360 by theta, and 1 minute,
Sir, if sir
is odd.
the-
The number of images formed is n, and if n is equals to 360 by theta is even. Can you see this? Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The number of images is n minus 1. Okay, so you have to check. For example, I'll show you the example. First, write it down. Write it down.
1 second, sir. Done, sir.
Whoa.
Everyone,
This is the first time I ever seen a man actually doing it in 1 second.
Yeah, because I was writing like Godspeed.
Good song.
sir.
all right.
Now down we go.
Now see here. If theta is 72 degrees, like if two angles, two mirrors are placed at a relative angle of 72 degrees, what will happen? What will be the n? N will be equals to 360 upon 72. You'll get 5. Is it even or odd? Odd.
Odd.
So we'll be going with case 1. So number of image formed?
6. Sorry.
Okay.
Here, whatever you have written. If it is odd, it will be n only. If it is even, then it will be minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Right?
So I can answer all of these guys who thought it won't form infinite images. It will form infinite images because it's not 90 degrees. If it's below 90 degrees, it will form.
So even if it's in 60-degree separation or in 72-degree separation, same number of images.
Exactly.
Same. It's not the same.
How,
But it's
sir?
different.
See,
Hmm.
what happens basically, you'll ask me the same thing. You'll ask me the same thing, how it can be possible. I'll show you the physical example.
Hold
I'll show
your
you
book.
the example.
Just open your book and see. Like open your book and just don't read the inside. Just see. You open your book
See,
is like 90
if
degrees.
it is 72 degrees, how do only 5 images get formed? There could be infinite. If it is 72 degrees, object is here. So first image will be formed here, second here. This image will be formed here, second here. And this image will be formed here. And its image will be formed here, but mirror ends here.
Sir, are you
That
writing
is
anything?
the thing.
Sir, are you writing
And
anything? I
same
can
thing,
see nothing.
understood or not?
We are telling it should not form infinite and should be only 5, right?
Where?
When it's inclined 72 degrees.
No, it should be 5 only.
That's what I'm saying, sir. It should not be infinity and
It
only
forms
5.
infinite when it forms infinite.
When it's at 0 degrees, sir.
When theta is 0 degrees, infinite number of images are formed. Because there is no limitation then. Object is here, one image formed here, one image formed here. This image formed there, this image formed here. Both images formed here, these both images formed here. Then it continues. Okay, because this image considers this image also is an object. You must have seen that in your
So in my terrace
like
is that.
changing room for any mall.
Yes, sir. Trial room, sir.
Yeah, trial
Which
rooms.
trial room have you guys been in, sir?
Chapter 1.
All the trial rooms are like that.
It's like either 90 degrees or not opposite.
They'll be in all 4 sides also, it's there.
Yeah.
For the mid side will the door be there.
Even
Hey,
behind the door will be there.
Yeah.
How many
There'll
images
be a
are
hook
formed
behind the
when
door.
it is at 90 degrees?
Yes.
Some
sir.
stores it will be in some.
Sir, it two images.
Come to
sir.
my house, you can see.
Four
Check
images.
it out.
sir.
How
Four
many
images,
images
sir.
can form?
4 images, sir.
Any more answer?
3 images, sir.
How many answers will you say?
Sir, 3, sir. 3 final.
Answer, sir.
It is 3.
3, sir.
That is
3,
90
sir.
degrees. 60 upon 90 is 4. So 4 minus 1, 3 images.
Sir.
Right?
Sir, but now see is impossible.
Have you written this?
Yes.
Have you
No,
written
sir.
this?
Sir, but
No, sir.
no, once you know 90 degrees, it will work, right? So because then
What?
only it will bounce in both of them.
Dave, we actually couldn't hear you. Tell it again.
If it's 90, if it's below 90 degrees, like it won't show any images, right? I mean after 90
Oh,
degrees.
above 90 degrees.
After 90
So
degrees.
what have you
Okay.
written after all? You have written like sorry after even like 6 actually even what?
Let's see how
Even case 2. We'll go for case 2.
Sir, this sounds like the algorithms we did in 6th standard computer science algorithms. If it's odd number,
Sir,
take it like that. If it's even number,
You have done, these are the basic tools. You have done these things earlier also.
No, sir, just to my intelligence.
sir, I sent one image that. So, like, can you see it, sir?
Why are you a guest?
So who is this guest?
Do you have another class after 5? Do you have another class after 5?
What? Drawing that?
That image is so cursed, sir.
No, like,
No.
Okay, next topic.
I thought you were nice.
sir, no. So, in both cases, will the number of images formed be 5? I've
That's
sent you an
not
image, sir.
72. That is not 72 degrees.
In both the cases, it will be 5 only.
Oh, okay, sir. Like, if that dotted thing,
Lateral inversion.
sir, that dotted thing, it's a separation, sir. Like, those two glasses are separated. I've just joined them to measure the angle.
But you joined
No.
them, right? So they're now together.
Sir, then how is it possible, sir?
Focus on here. Focus on
No,
here.
no,
What
no,
is
no,
lateral
no.
inversion?
Sir,
These are
I'm
important
not.
topics.
Sir, I'm not asking out of portion doubt and all. Like,
Out of question if you ask it out.
It is out of portion.
And we learn it afterwards then.
Can you go to the previous? So can you go to the previous slide? Kongwal distracted me by telling him to look at his cursed photo, sir.
did I ask you to look at it?
You told look at it.
I said,
Asking
sir,
something
can you
about-
look at it? Yes, sir. I
Where?
sent you an image
Then
in
you
the
should have
chat.
sent it to. Then you shouldn't
Where?
have sent it in class chat.
In the chat, sir.
Okay. Yeah, okay. This is there. All right.
So, like,
Yeah.
the
No, it
dotted lines
depends. It
means like
depends.
I've joined it, sir. So, like,
No,
virtually,
no,
like,
no, no. It depends.
just to measure the angle.
See, it depends. Basically, this is the condition, and there is the position of the object also. He should stand in the middle. Will be forming the rays. The rays will be then forming the objects. Then this object will be creating another ray, and that will be forming the object here. And that's how it goes. So when you will place the mirror at a certain difference, or you will create it something like this. Now, if you are putting it a very far position, so they'll be nearly parallel to each other. For example, if you will extend
Yes, sir.
the
But when you
72
join
degrees
them,
of
they form 72 degrees only.
yeah. Now, if you continue this and you are taking this length and this length, so this will be acting as nearly parallel. So this will deviate the result. This is not, this formula is not maintained for such conditions.
Okay, sir.
So it is out of
Because
topic.
that based on the retracing of rays, we'll study how to form images. We'll study here how to
It's out
form
of topic.
images by ourselves. We can locate the image exactly by studying that. So if you do
Yes,
that, if you change the position of the mirror, so you alter the conditions. For these conditions, the formula has not been made.
That's
Got
how
it?
Google tracks you.
the interchange of the left and right. But little bit you can do. This much you can do. I don't think that this would matter. Left and right sides in the image of an object in a plane mirror. Is called
lateral inversion.
lateral inversion. Write it down.
This is like
Yes, sir.
fourth grade topics. Like if you
No, every
show
cha-
right hand,
That's
it'll
how
be like,
every chapter starts there. Except the second one.
Ninth grade is like the first year where in physics or chemistry we didn't have matter as the first chapter.
Did we have
think about
matter as the first chapter in the 8th?
Yeah,
yeah, we had both physics and chemistry.
yeah.
What's the matter with that?
So Uncle Bill said it's okay, and he just started laughing.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Write it down. See
Yes,
what
sir.
happens it likes. So if I draw a figure basically,
Sorry.
No one even
and
listens.
I mark it a point here star. So this is on the left side of yours, but here it would look like
I tried.
this side. Why this happened?
Sir, this
Because
is
the
logical reasoning
in a
question.
plane
Sir.
mirror, in a plane mirror, the relative distance is equal. For this point, I'll mark it out. See here. If this point is, let us say, 4 centimeters, I'll have to change the color. Blue maybe.
Green.
No.
No,
If this distance is, let us say, 4 centimeter this side, so same this point will be formed 4 centimeter this side. If this star is 10 centimeter away, so this star will be formed 10 centimeter away only. Understood? There is a logic behind it. And that is why this happens. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I want to do the image 7.7. So
Pardon?
sophisticated.
You
That-
can't do it.
Hey, yo. So like figure 7.7, sir. It looks so sophisticated. It looks like too much for my brain to comprehend.
I didn't take my book yet.
Pankaj got working, he didn't have his book.
No,
Just
I'm
to
writing.
mind calculating everything.
Hey, what do you mean, da? I'm writing, da.
Yeah,
Easy,
right.
that's easy. You can do that. You can draw that diagram. We'll be drawing that.
It's very easy only.
It's really easy. I'll tell you in the next class how to draw the diagrams and where to locate the object would be in the mirror. We can
There
directly
is
do
no
that.
construct, right, sir? There's no constructual diagrams, right? So we don't have to construct anything perfectly like 5 centimeter away like that. Sir.
I don't know, but I'll tell you. I'm not sure about your syllabus, but I'll tell you how to draw the diagrams basically.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
To
sorry, sir.
revise the things, you have
My
your
right side arrow is a bit thicker than my left side.
Whoa.
you have to revise the things, revise and come in the next class. That will be important, and you have to solve questions related to the formulas that I have given today. You'll be getting your assignments also. All right.
Sir, we have 10 more minutes left, sir.
Oh, we don't check the time.
We do.
We have the
So
next
class
class.
started late.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
You
sir.
also join late.
Next class.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I'm asking.
What?
I'm
What?
asking it. Do you have the next class at right now or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. It started,
Yes,
sir. It
sir.
started.
It's always like that.
All right. That's why I'm leaving you now, because some
Two
network
more
problem.
minutes.
Actually, login problem was there. I could not log in into my credentials today at the right time.
I don't think I'll join the next class.
Okay, sir. That's
Probably.
fine, sir.
If I leave
Alright,
mid
so do
class,
the homework and do the stuff. We'll
Yes,
be
sir.
meeting in the next
Practice,
class.
sir. Bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. I'm gonna be first.